to our today's lesson, that is mass. We want to see how we can convert the grams, kilograms into grams, and vice versa, that is grams back into kilograms. Now, first of all, we have to know the conversion units. As you can see here, 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. And or you can talk of 1000 grams is equivalent to 1 kilogram. So we can be using we are going to use these conversion units to convert either from kilograms to grams or from grams back to kilograms. Now, let us go by these examples. Now, you've been told to convert the following to grams. Convert the following to grams. So it is the units are in kilograms, and we are required to convert them into grams. Now, we shall use these conversion units. This one. Now, we are going to talk of if 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. What about this 3 kilogram that we have been given? What about 3 kilogram? What are we supposed to do now? We are simply supposed to cross multiply 3 kilogram by 1000, then we divide by 1 kilogram. So this is going to be 3 kilogram multiplied by 1000 grams all over 1 kilogram. The kilogram will cancel. Then you have 3 times 1000, you get 3000 grams. And therefore 3 kilogram converted to grams will be 3000 grams. Let us look at this other one. 15 kilogram. How are we going to convert 15 kilogram into grams? We are going to say if 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. What about 15 kilogram? 15 kilogram will be what? The most important thing when you reach here, you should know that you should simply cross multiply 15 kilogram, cross multiply by 1000 divided by 1 kilogram. So this is going to be 15 kilogram multiplied by 1000 grams all over 1 kilogram. Kilogram will cancel, then you have 15 multiplied by 1000, you get 15,000 grams. Therefore, 15 kilogram converted to grams will be 15,000 grams. Let us look at this other one. Shall talk of if 1 kilogram is equal to, if 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, what about 10 kilogram? It will be what? You cross multiply. So this is going to be 10 kilogram multiplied by 1000 gram all over 1 kilogram. Kilogram will cancel. Then you have 10 multiplied by 1000 is just 10. You have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So that is 10,000 grams. You can put the commas 1, 2, 3, comma. So that is 10,000 grams. Then come to this one. This is 425. 425 kilogram converted to grams. So we shall talk about if 1 kg or 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. What about 425 kilograms? So this is the first statement that you have to write. If 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1000 grams. What about 425 kilogram? Because this is what we are converting into grams. So here you simply cross multiply 425 kilogram multiplied by 1000 grams all over 1 kilogram. The kilogram will cancel, we remain with the grams because we are converting the kilograms to grams. Therefore, 425 multiplied by 1000, you get 425,000 gram. So here 425 kilogram converted to grams will be 425,000 grams. Let us look at this other 107 kilograms. So how do we convert this one into grams? We shall make a statement and say if 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1000 grams. What about 107? What about 107 kilogram? It will be what? Cross multiply. So this is going to be 107 kilograms multiplied by 1000 grams all over 1 kilogram. So kilogram will cancel, you remain with 107 multiplied by 1000. Your answer is 107,000 grams. So that is how we convert the kilograms back into what? Grams. In short, if you are given any quantity in kilogram and you are required to convert to grams, simply multiply by 1000. You can see from here we multiplied by 1000. Here we again multiply 10 kilogram by 1000. Again here we simply multiply by 1000 gram. In short, if you want to convert the kilograms into grams, simply multiply by 1000 grams. So that is how we convert the kilograms into grams. Let us now see how we can convert the grams now back into kilograms. Convert the following to kilograms. The first one we have 5000 grams. Now here we shall be asking ourselves how many grams make a kilogram. And we have the conversion units here. We began by talking about these conversion units. So 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So that is the statement that we shall use here. So you say if 1000 gram is equals to 1 kilogram, what about the gram, the quantity that you've been given here now? What about 5000 grams will be what? So here again we cross multiply by this and then we divide by this. So this is going to be 5000 gram multiplied by 1 kilogram all over 1000 gram. So this is the gram will cancel. Then you have 0, 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0, 0. Then we remain with 5 times 1, you get what? 5 kilograms. Therefore 5000 grams converted to kilograms will be 5 kilograms. Let us look at this other one. We shall talk of if 1 kilogram, if 1000 gram, if 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. What about 60,000 gram will be what? Again, you do the same thing. This is going to be 60,000 gram multiplied by 1 kilogram all over or divided by 1000 gram. So the gram will cancel. Then 0, 0, this 0 with this 0, this one. Then we remain with 60 multiplied by 1 divided by 1, which is 60 kilogram. Therefore 60,000 grams converted to kilograms will be 60 kilograms. Let us look at this other one. We have 450 grams. We convert this 450 grams into kilograms by first of all saying if 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. What about 450 grams will be what? You simply cross multiply, then you divide by 1000. So this is going to be 450 grams multiplied by 1 kilogram divided by 1000 grams. The grams will cancel. This 0 cancels this 0. Now we have 45 all over 100, or 45 divided by 100. This is just simply write 45. The number of zeros here in the denominator will guide you and will mean we have to count how many decimal places? 2 decimal places from the right hand side. So we have 1, 2. So the final answer is 0.45 kilograms. That is how we convert this 450 gram into kilograms. Then we have 25 grams. 25 grams. Convert this 25 grams into kilograms. How are we going to convert the 25 grams into kilograms? We first of all say if 1000 gram is equals to 1 kilogram. What about 25 grams will be what? Cross multiply. So this is going to be 25 grams times 1 kilogram all over 1000 grams. Grams will cancel. We have no zeros to cancel here. So we have 25 all over 1000. Simply write this 25 here. And I've said the number of zeros in the denominator will tell you the number of decimal places we are supposed to count here. So 1, 2, 3, we count 3 decimal places now. 1, 2, 3. Add a 0 there, the decimal point is there. So our answer is going to be 0.025 kilograms. And that is how we convert the grams into kilograms. Let us look at this other one, 800 grams. Convert 800 grams into kilograms. You will stop off if 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. What about 800 grams? It will be what? Cross multiply. So this is going to be 800 gram multiplied by 1 kilograms all over 1000 gram. The gram will cancel. Then 0, 0, 0, 0. 8 all over 10 is the same as 8. But I've said the number of zeros here in the denominator will guide you and will tell you the number of decimal places that you're supposed to count here. So we have 1 0. That means we are going to have 1 decimal place there. So our answer is supposed to be 0.8 kilograms. So that is how we convert the grams into kilograms and kilograms into grams. Up to there, we can try to work out these ones. We have conversion of kilograms to grams. And again, we have conversion of grams into what? To kilograms. So thank you for enjoying the lesson. Hope you've enjoyed the lesson. Thank you. Have a wonderful time.